Hello everyone, welcome. I hope I'm clear, audible, and visible to all. Hello everyone, welcome. Fine. So let me start. Today's another very short quiz session, an MCQ discussion session, and it will be from the same topic that we were discussing about microbes in human welfare. Hi, Amisha, welcome. Okay. So, hi, I'm Janani Saptharishi and I'm currently pursuing my BTech Biotechnology. All right. And let me introduce with the newly launched feature of Unacademy, that is the iconic subscription. So, what are the benefits of iconic subscription? So, for the iconic subscription, the main part is that this is a very customized plan. So, you get a personal mentor, all right? You will get someone who guides you personally, they'll align your learning, they strategize for you. Okay, okay. So, then you have live doubt clearing sessions. तो आप one to one अपने educator के साथ connect कर सकते हैं. You can get your doubt solved. Okay, this will be very customized. Again, they will give you a study plan, etc. Then you will have a parental connect. यानी कि अपने सारे weaknesses, strengths, everything will be discussed with your parents. Okay, there will be regularly we will be giving performance reports, and also you will get all the benefits of plus subscription. प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन के क्या क्या बेनिफिट प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन के बेनिफिट्स ये है यू विल हैव एक्सेस टू ऑल द डेली लाइव क्लासेस. ठीक है, आपके सारे डेली लाइव टेस्ट एंड क्विजेस एवरीडे बेसिस पे कंडक्ट होते हैं. यू कैन ज्वाइन एनी क्विज देयर. ऑलराइट, यू कैन प्रिपेयर ऑल द चैप्टर्स. आपकी फुल पोर्शन कवर होती है. यानी कि अगर आपने मेरा कोड यूज किया, मैं बायोलॉजी पढ़ाती हूँ, बट इफ यू आर सेलेक्टेड एज योर गोल एज योर सीबीएसई साइंस और you will get access to all the subjects. ठीक है, जैसे फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, इंग्लिश, आपके बोर्ड्स के लिए जो भी requirements. That's why we say that we have planned it structurally. That means everything is in line with your syllabus, and you will get unlimited access to all of them. And the best part is you can access through any of the devices, PC, laptop, or your mobile phones, anything. So live classes only, you will be on board with the top educators of India, and you also will have very comprehensive syllabus. All right, now all you have to do is go and download the Unacademy learning application. Once you install it, you just have to get the subscription. And for more link, you can get in touch through the Telegram link that is mentioned in the description box below. So uh, these are the courses that we provide you, and if you take a plus subscription, I will recommend you most to get with the 12-month plan. Why? Because the 12-month plan is most economical, and also if you are preparing for your class 12 or your NEET, you will at least need a year of preparation. All right, so you will have all the content access for at least this year, and this for 12 months these are all these everything is included just for 15,000 rupees. And moreover, if you use my code, that is Janani, you will get all these contents in just 13,500 rupees. That means you can avail an extra 10% off. ठीक है? Now, coming to the iconic subscription. Iconic subscription आपकी 12 month की plan होती है 28,000 rupees, and when you use my code, that is Janani, you will get an additional discount and it will be available in 25,200 rupees. So this is the Telegram channel, and what all are the features? Live classes, you can interact with the educator, live poll, leaderboard, test series, live doubt clearing sessions, ये सब आपको features मिलेंगे. And all you have to do is go and install this application. Yes, so see, after you install this, what you have to do, you have to select your goal. So in your case, it will either be NEET UG or it will be your CBSE class 12. And then you select your plan. All right, and now we have an additional feature of a special class that you can join absolutely for free. So all you have to do is go and download this app. All right, select your goal. All right, and search for my name, Janani Saptharishi, and you can join all my special classes. That is absolutely for free. So these are free courses. I'll be taking quizzes, lectures, various discussions. You can join any of them absolutely for free. All you have to do is search for my name and use this invite code. That is my name, Janani. Now, these are the steps to join the quiz. You have to download the app, log in, select your goal, as I said, and again, you now instead of the join the lecture, you have to click on join quiz and again write put in the same code. So you can take the snapshot of this test, and this is my upcoming schedule. So I will be live tomorrow at 10 p.m. on the application. All right. Yeah. So 10 p.m. tomorrow is 19th. All right. We'll have a discussion on insulin, which is very interesting topic. And 2 to 3, this will be on 20 at 12. Sorry, not 11. It's yes. So 20th को होगा आपका quiz. Mostly it will be on the topic of ecology. All right. So these are my upcoming sessions. You can, how will you join? You will join it by using my free code. That is my name, Janani. Okay. So now let us come to the main topic. Yes. If in case of any doubt and your answers, you can put it up in your chat box. Fine. So let us start with the first question of the day. We have already had one round of discussion. In this, there are mostly the statement type of questions which are also asked in NEET, and some match the following questions. Okay, so this will all be very beneficial for your concept clearing as well as your NEET examination. ठीक है? So, different varieties of cheese are known by their. So how is cheese manufactured? Basically, पहले हम मिल्क को लेते हैं, ठीक है, उसको कर्डल करते हैं, फाइन, देन द वे इज रिमूव्ड आउट, वे जो है उसे रिमूव कर देते हैं, ठीक है। अब जो भी सॉलिड हुआ उसे व्हाट डू वी डू, वी बेसिकली सेंड इट फॉर राइपनिंग, ठीक है। सो हमारे हम चीज़ को किन किन बेसिस पे क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं? वी कैन डू इट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ वाटर कंटेंट, जैसे आपका कॉटेज चीज़ होता है उसमें वाटर कंटेंट या फिर वे की कंटेंट, ठीक है, सबसे ज़्यादा हाई होती है। देन वी कैन डू इट ऑन टेस्ट, ठीक है। फिर आता है जैसे हमने यूज़ किया जैसे रॉकफोर्ट चीज़ में हमने फंगाई से उसे इंट्रोड्यूस कराया, तो उसमें क्या आया? उसमें आया फ्लेवर, फाइन। सो ऑल दीज थ्री आर राइट। टेक्सचर होगा बेसिकली आपका वाटर कंटेंट, ठीक है, एंड टेस्ट एंड फ्लेवर तो मैंने आपको बताया। हाय सांद्रा, वेलकम, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। फाइन, सो इट इज योर 1, 2 and 3. Now, LAB is useful in the conversion of milk to curd, production of acid that coagulate partially and digest the milk proteins, improvement of nutritional quality of curd by increasing the vitamin B12, or checking of disease causing microbes. तो आप सारे स्टेटमेंट एक बार पढ़ लो. All these statements are right. LAB is basically a lactoacid bacteria जो आपके मिल्क को कर्ड में कन्वर्ट करता है, न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू बढ़ाता है, ये मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में भी आपको बताया था, आपके डिजीज कॉजिंग माइक्रोब से कंट्रोल करके आपकी इम्यूनिटी को इंक्रीज कर देता है, ठीक है, आपकी इम्यूनिटी जो है वो होती है इंक्रीज, फाइन। एंड दे प्रोड्यूस एसिड्स दैट कोगुलेट एंड पार्शियली डाइजेस्ट द मिल्क प्रोटीन, यानी कि आपकी केसन जो है वो डाइजेस्ट होती है। दिस इज ऑल्सो एब्सोल्युटली राइट. So all your 4 statements are right in this case also. Now, the scientists who were awarded Nobel Prize in 1945 for the discovery of penicillin were Alexander Fleming, Ernst Chain, Howard Florey. Now, इस क्वेश्चन में बहुत लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं because we are only familiar with the name of Fleming, that is Alexander Fleming, because उसके he was the one who witnessed the incident, but Ernst Chain and Howard Florey have equal contribution in discovering it, all right, and all 3 of them together were awarded the Nobel Prize. So your answer is 1, 2 and 3. Fine. Alcoholic drinks produced without distillation are. All right, so we have 2 sects. We have discussed it earlier also. If you have any doubts, you can go back to my playlist and check out those videos. So There are some drinks that are produced by the process of distillation and some are served undistilled. Alright, so undistilled are basically your wine as well as your beer. Fine, this is a very important. It is taken as it is from your NCRT. You can even expect it as a 1 mark question for your board. Okay, alcoholic drinks produced by distillation are wine, beer, whiskey, rum, brandy. अब हमने पहले क्या देखा था? Without distillation. Now we are looking along with distillation. So it will definitely be everything without wine and beer. Fine, it will be 3, 4 and 5. Mechanism of action of antibiotics are, so antibiotics are basically that will inhibit the growth of other microbes. So how do these act upon those pathogens or the microbes? So the first step is that they will go and try to disrupt the cell wall. ठीक है, सेल वॉल जो होती है ना वो हमारी प्रोटेक्टिंग कवरिंग होती है. सो वंस योर सेल वॉल इज डिसरप्टेड, what happens that all these contents or your cytoplasm is exposed of. ठीक है, अब साइटोप्लाज्म के ये जो है कंटेंट्स है वो एक्सपोज हो गए तो क्या होगा? इट इज वेरी इजी टू गो एंड डिस्ट्रॉय द माइक्रोब और द पर्टिकुलर पैथोजन. ये एक हुआ ना. सम ड्रग्स लाइक एरिथ्रोमाइसिन क्या करते हैं? डायरेक्टली आपके डीएनए आरएनए सिंथेसिस यानी कि जेनेटिक मटेरियल को ही एक माइक्रोब के टारगेट करता है. Now, when I destroy the genetic material, what happens? Automatically, the cell will die. Another method also mentioned is your disruption of your plasma lemma. Plasma lemma भी same protecting cover होती है आपकी plasma membrane की तरह. ठीक है, वो भी disrupt हो गया तो similarly your contents of the cell will be exposed of. So it is your 1, 2 and 3. The modes of bacterial resistance against antibiotics are. ओके अभी हमने बात की मैकेनिज्म की. ये है कि अब बैक्टीरिया अपने आप को रेजिस्ट करने के लिए क्या करता है. ऑलराइट, सो इधर इट विल दे विल डेवलप अ थिक कवरिंग आउटसाइड. ओके, अब उस थिक कवरिंग को हम क्या कहते हैं? वी कॉल इट एज अ म्यूसिलेज. फाइन. देन अनदर मेथड इज दैट दे विल ऑल्टरनेट द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. अब सेल मेम्ब्रेन जब ऑल्टरनेट हो गया तो क्या होगा कि आइडेंटिफिकेशन में प्रॉब्लम होगी and then it will not be able to go and like break the cell wall and the contents will not get exposed. Fine. Mutation in the bacteria. Mutation यानी कि genetic content में alteration are. So again it is very difficult for my antibiotic to go and destroy the genetic contents. So again 1, 2 and 3 is the right answer. These are basically the questions that will make your concepts clear. Okay, that is the main aim of the question of such kind of sessions. Fine. So, gobar gas, that is biogas, mainly consists of. गोबर गैस में होता है CH4, CO2, H2, O2. कौन से होता है आपको मुझे बताना है. ठीक है, तो गोबर गैस जो होती है ना मेनली एनएरोबिक कंडीशंस में बनता है. Anaerobic means absence of oxygen. So you will have methane, CO2 and H2. Fine. The technology of biogas production was developed in India mainly due to the efforts of IARI, that is Institute of Agricultural Research of India, ICAR or your CSIR, that is Scientific Industry and Research, C का यानी Central Scientific Industrial Research and your KVIC. तो इसका आंसर होता है आपका IARI एंड योर KVIC. तो दोनों ही दिल्ली में लोकेटेड है एंड इन्होंने बेसिकली बायोगैस के फॉर्मूला को इंडिया में इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. CSR इज योर काउंसिल ऑफ साइंटिफिक एंड इंडस्ट्रियल रिसर्च. फाइन. What are the advantage of gobar gas over the conventional utilization? मतलब benefits बताने हैं आपको. So more efficient source of energy used as good fertilizers. Definitely efficient source of energy होगा. Zero pollution होती है इससे. ठीक है, and ऊपर से villages में rural areas में गोबर गैस ही उनका main fuel होता है. It is used as good fertilizers. Definitely reduces the chance of spreading pathogens. Okay, so the answer is all. Alright, reduces the chances of spreading pathogens. Why? Because यहाँ पे जो भी आपके सीवेज वेस्ट आती है वो सब क्या बनती है? फर्टिलाइजर. एंड नन ऑफ देम इज डिस्पोज्ड आउट इन दी वाटर. तो वाटर में डिस्पोज नहीं हुआ तो आपकी वाटर बोर्न डिजीजेस काफी कम हो जाते हैं. Cyanobacteria used as a biofertilizer are, again very important question. So biofertilizers के इसमें हम use करते हैं Anabina, Nostoc and Oscillatoria. Azospirillum जो है वो biofertilizer के फॉर्म में नहीं use करते. Now, the main source of biofertilizers is basically everything except your protozoans. Fine, so it will be your bacteria, fungi and your cyanobacteria. Free-living nitrogen-fixing bacteria are Rhizobium azospirillum or Azotobacter. It is your azospirillum, it is free-living, it is nitrogen-fixing as well as your Azotobacter. Rhizobium जो है वो nitrogen fixing नहीं करता. माइकोराइजियल एसोसिएशन, माइकोराइजियल यानी कि बैक्टीरिया एंड फंगाई की एसोसिएशन. ये एक आपने इकोलॉजी में भी इसे पढ़ा होगा. ऑलराइट, एक बेनिफिशियल रिलेशनशिप होती है. तो ये क्या करता है, इट विल, यस, ऑल थ्री आर करेक्ट. व्हाई? बिकॉज ये आपके रूट को जो है वो पैथोजन से बचाता है. देन एक्सट्रीम कंडीशंस में ये हेल्प करता है काफ़ी, यानी कि ड्राउट कंडीशंस में या फिर बहुत सलाइन यानी कि सॉल्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा हो, so it helps them. Now, overall increase in plant growth and development, it enhances the uptake of phosphorus. So in that way, it will also increase the plant growth and development. Some of the recently emerged diseases are, it is all of them. SARS के बारे में तो आप COVID ही ले लो, recently emerged है. AIDS is also very recent, as it is 1981, and mad cow is also a very recent इमर्ज्ड कंडीशन. ठीक है, रिसेंटली इमर्ज यानी कि कौन से लेटेस्ट डिजीज जो अभी अभी हमारे इसमें आए हैं. पहले से जैसे आपका वायरल फीवर हुआ, मलेरिया हुआ, ये सब काफी टाइम से चला रहा है. इट इज नॉट वेरी रिसेंट. रिसेंट यानी कि जो सिर्फ कुछ इयर्स पहले हम इसके फर्स्ट केसेस को देख रहे हैं. ठीक है. Some of the re-emerging diseases are from, in this case, it is again all of them. See, this was recently emerged. Okay, now this is re-emerged, यानी कि पहले भी एक epidemic या pandemic इस केस में रह चुका होगा, and it is again showing its effects in population, and still it is not completely cured. So it is your cholera, tuberculosis and your dengue fever. Advances in which of the following can produce a rapid detection and methods of bioterror agents? It is your genomics along with your bioinformatics. Hi Shubham, welcome. ठीक है, तो ये है जीनोमिक्स अलॉन्ग विद बायो. ये एज इट इज एनसीईआरटी की लाइन है. जीनोमिक्स बेसिकली बायोटेररिज्म से एक ऐसे नहीं होता कि जीनोमिक्स इज बायोटेररिज्म. इट इज बेसिकली, इट कैन लीड टू इफ इट इज मैनिपुलेटेड और यूज्ड इन दैट वे. फाइन. सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ सीवेज इन्वॉल्व्स. सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट क्या होती है? फर्स्ट व्हाट वी डू, वी फर्स्ट सेडिमेंट एंड फिल्ट्रेट, देन इट गोज टू द बायोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट. बायोलॉजिकल ट्रीटमेंट में एक्टिवेटेड स्लज तो डेफिनेटली बनता है. आपके जो सेकेंडरी स्लज को हम एक्टिवेटेड स्लज ही कहते हैं. एनारोबिक डाइजेशन ऑफ सीवेज, I'll just put up the, yeah, and release of effluent into the rivers occurs. Yes, anaerobic digestion तो होता ही है, डाइजेस्टिंग टाइम्स पे सेकेंड पार्ट होता है सेकेंडरी ट्रीटमेंट का. एंड आफ्टर इट इज ट्रीटेड व्हाट हैपन, जो एफ्लुएंट यानी कि सुपरनेटेंट, जो भी हमारा सुपरनेटेंट बचता है, इट गोज ऑफ इन दी रिवर बिकॉज अब उसका BOD लेवल काफी कम हो चुका है. फाइन. Biogas is produced by anaerobic digestion of cellulosic material, fermentation of dough or beverage, anaerobic decomposition of dung. This is very easy. I'm sure everyone can do it. It is only with the anaerobic digestion of the cellulosic material. See, dung use करते हैं, but dung का भी anaerobic digestion होता है, not aerobic. Fine. That is why third is not the option. Select the correct statement. Hi Jitari, Hebram, welcome. Yes, your answer is absolutely right. Now, select the correct statement. Lipases are used in detergent formulation and helpful in removing an oily stains from the laundry. Now, enzyme responsible for the synthesis of cholesterol was inhibited by cyclosporin A. Oh, sorry, answer Divya. Sorry. So then, statins remove clot from the blood vessels of the patient who have undergone myocardial yes. एंड बॉटल जूस आर क्लैरिफाइड बाय द नो बॉटल जूस जो है वो इससे नहीं क्लैरिफाई होते. देन statins remove clot from the blood vessels who have undergone myocardial infarction leading to heart attack. I think ये statement भी correct होना चाहिए. Okay, enzyme responsible for no, this is not correct. This correct statement will be lipases are used for detergent formulation and helpful in removing oily stains from the laundry because lipases is lipid digesting. ठीक है? But I think the third statement is also right. Hmm. Okay, okay. Yes, I guess the third statement is also right. Clot buster की तरफ भी use करते हैं statins को. Fine. सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशंस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ये आपके नीट का ही क्वेश्चन है. मोनास्किस पर्पुरिस, statins, blood cholesterol lowering agent, trichoderma polysperm. Yes, so this is right. Yes, statins को blood cholesterol lowering agent. I got confused. I'm sorry. So trichoderma is definitely cyclosporin. इसको immunosuppressive agent basically आपके organ transplants में use किया जाता है. Then I have my streptococcus as using my clot buster. Yes, so this is the correct statement. So even the previous one is the question था यही उसका correct explanation है. Now you have to correct select the incorrect statement. ठीक है? हाँ? In mycorrhizae, phosphorus absorption from soil is done by the fungal symbiont. Yes, from soil is done by a vascular plant symbiont. नहीं, देखो ये गलत हो गया. माइकोरेजी मतलब प्लांट एंड प्लांट सॉरी बैक्टीरिया एंड फंगाई का एसोसिएशन. एंड ये जो फंगल सिम्बियोंट है यानी कि ये एक रिलेशनशिप बनाता है हमारे प्लांट के साथ जिसके वजह से प्लांट बेनिफिट होती है. कैसे कि वो फॉस्फोरस को अब्जॉर्ब करता है. Here, what it is given that the mycorrhizae forms is done by a vascular plant symbiont. No, it is a vascular fungal symbiont. Fine. Then let's look at the other statement. Use of biofertilizers reduce environmental pollution. Absolutely. Biofertilizers enrich the nutrient value of soil is also correct. Select the wrong statement. Mycorrhiza enhances the phosphorus content in soil. Use of biofertilizers curtail the use of chemical fertilizers. Cyanobacteria serve as an important biofertilizers in paddy fields. Symbiotic associations show the following benefits. So your correct statement will be, sorry, you have to select the wrong statement. Okay. So here it will be that and yes, it will be your first one. That is, mycorrhiza enhances the phosphorus content not in the soil, it will enhance it in the plant. Okay. Select the true statement. Microbes are not used to ferment fish. They are. I have to select the true or the correct one. Toddy is a traditional drink in Western countries. No, toddy is the traditional drink of India. It is, yeah, so that also becomes false. Metabolic activity occurs in the dough in the aerobic oxidation. No. And LAB is a beneficial role in checking my disease causing microbes. Yes, that improves in your vitamin B12, which will in turn enhance your immunity. Now, select the false statement. Baker's yeast perform fermentation in wheat dough during the preparation of bread. Antibiotics are discovered in the 20th century. Fermentation of concentrated milk yields cheese. Ethanol is produced by fermentation of malt by Saccharomyces cerevisiae. तो इसमें आपका करेक्ट है कि fermentation of concentrated milk yields cheese. That is your false statement because it is not the fermentation. Basically, not see, cheese undergoes a lot of a process. And the start of the video, first you have to curdle the milk. All right, then you have to remove the whey. So milk curdle होने के बाद that is not your concentrated milk. Okay. Then it has to also undergo process of ripening. Right, so that all steps will lead to cheese. The true statement: penicillin was discovered by Fleming when he was working with penicillin. Oh, Okay? Antibiotics are chemical substances which are produced by microbes and can kill and retard growth of other yes. Second one is the right statement, and it is also the definition of antibiotics. Okay, so this is the same thing that we saw. So the right answer is your basically lipases are used in. So I think it is repeated. So yes. So yes, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining. And one last thing that I want to tell you is about. So, Unacademy is launching this doubt solving batch, especially for your board exams. All right, for all the science students, this will be of great benefit. And the batch of class 12, it will be on based on your NCRT, that is your CBSE portion of 2020 and 2021. तो आपके अपकमिंग बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल होगा. So it will be a complete doubt solving session and it is undertaken by the top educators. So we have Vikas Dhillon for physics. So it will be Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 to 8, sorry, 5 to 6 p.m. Then we have Jui Mishra for biology, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. And maths by Suresh Goyal. It will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 7:45 to 8:45. And chemistry will be by Vani ma'am. It will be Monday, Wednesday, 6:30 to 7:30. So you all can join the session and take the maximum benefit. It will really help and you can clear all your doubts. Okay, you can input all your doubts and they will also provide a complete revision. And this is a 2 months. Okay, so it starts from 21st December. So you can get all your last minute doubts cleared. So similarly, दिस इज फॉर योर क्लास 11. ओके, क्लास 11 के भी जो फाइनल एग्जाम आ रहे हैं उसके रिलेटेड आपके जो भी डाउट्स है यू कैन गेट इट क्लियर. फॉर दिस ऑल्सो द स्टार्ट डेट इज योर 21st December and you will be connected with all these top educators and it will be on a day to day basis. Okay, so thank you so much for connecting with me today. Please do like the video and share the link as much as possible for whomever you think it will be beneficial. Thank you. See you tomorrow or day after.